I would like to introduce you to our new help desk ticketing system called HappyFox. You can access this ticketing system from the quick links if you select the TIS technical support link over on the left. Log in to the Ysleta portal with your Active Directory or email credentials. You'll be taken to the user portal of HappyFox. Here you can view any tickets that we may have for you. You can look at them specifically as any new tickets that we have, any in-progress tickets that you may have, on hold, and resolved. Let's go back to all tickets. On any ticket, if you select or click on the title of the ticket, you will open the ticket and be able to view any messages, any detail on that ticket. You can also add a response to this ticket. If you click on add a response, you will be responding to the person assigned to your ticket or the person assigned to assist you with the issue that you're experiencing. You can also create new tickets. If you create a new ticket, you'll need to select a category. You'll select a category by what best describes the issue you're experiencing. There are several categories listed, and you would just pick whatever is best describing the help that you're needing. Let's go ahead and select the service desk. You're needing some assistance from the service desk. If you're experiencing issues with maybe a browser, write a brief description in the subject line. In the message of the ticket, you can go ahead and give further details. And you'll scroll down to the bottom of the ticket and create a ticket. A ticket will be created for the service desk, and they will contact you regarding this ticket or update the ticket with any resolutions. On this new ticketing system, we also have a chat option. In this chat option, it'll give you an option to go ahead and chat with anyone at the help desk. Let's go ahead and select chat now. So let's go ahead and click hello. And we'll wait a response from one of our help desk technicians. Okay, let's see. And so we'll go ahead and have the chat session going on. And as we're creating this chat, HappyFox is recording the information, the messages going back and forth, and it will create a separate ticket regarding this chat session. So, and we'll go ahead and close the chat, and we'll end the chat there. So now we also have chat, and you will be able to create your new tickets. Those are the two new functions that we have with our new HappyFox. I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 41010 or simply use the chat option. Thank you. Bye-bye.